This is Big Sur, one of the most breathtaking coastal destinations in the United States. Located in California, Big Sur is famous for its dramatic cliffs, endless ocean views, and one of the most scenic drives in the world, the Pacific Coast Highway. As you travel along this iconic road, you'll witness stunning landscapes where mountains meet the deep blue Pacific Ocean. One of the most famous spots here is the Bixby Creek Bridge, a masterpiece of engineering and a favorite location for photographers. Big Sur is also home to beautiful beaches like Pfeiffer Beach, known for its unique purple sand and incredible sunsets. Surrounded by towering redwood forests and peaceful nature, this place feels like a dream. Whether you're a traveler, a nature lover, or simply exploring from home, Big Sur is a destination that will leave you in awe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel videos from around the world. As the waves crash against the rugged cliffs, Big Sur reveals a raw and untouched beauty that feels almost unreal. Driving along the Pacific Coast Highway, every turn offers a new breathtaking view, making the journey just as magical as the destination. The sound of the ocean, combined with the fresh coastal air, creates a peaceful escape from the busy world.